It's the first week of January 2026. Margaret, a 72-year-old retired schoolteacher from Ohio, sits down at her kitchen table. She's been waiting all year for this moment, her Social Security raise, the 2.8% cost of living adjustment everyone has been talking about on the news. She opens her bank app. She squints at the number, then she squints again. The raise is there, but it's almost gone. Where she expected an extra $56 a month, she sees only about $38. $18 have quietly disappeared. Not stolen, not lost in the mail, taken, legally, before the money ever touched her account. And Margaret has no idea why. She doesn't know that one hidden Medicare rule just ate most of her raise. She doesn't know that millions of seniors across America are about to feel the exact same shock. If you're watching this video, please don't be the next Margaret. Hello, my friend. I am Faria. I'm a senior policy analyst, and for years I've been helping retirees just like you understand the confusing rules that quietly drain your Social Security and Medicare benefits. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what is happening to your 2026 Social Security check. I'll walk you through the official numbers from SSA.gov and Medicare.gov. I'll explain the hidden rule called Hold Harmless that the government almost never talks about. And I'll show you the simple steps to protect every dollar you've earned. But please, stay with me until the very end. Because there is one mistake that seniors are making right now in January and February of 2026 that can cost them hundreds of dollars a month for the entire year. And if you miss it, you cannot fix it until 2027. So take a deep breath, pour yourself a cup of tea, and let me explain everything, step by step. Let me tell you about Robert. Robert is 67. He retired 2 years ago after working 40 years as a project manager at a manufacturing company in Pennsylvania. He's a careful man. He pays his bills on time. He reads the news. He even keeps a folder labeled Medicare in his filing cabinet. In October 2025, Robert heard the great news on television. A 2.8% Social Security raise was coming in January. Robert smiled. He told his wife, "Honey, that's about $60 more a month. We can finally afford the new heating bill." But Robert made one small mistake. Just one. In 2024, Robert sold a small rental property he had owned for 30 years. He made a one-time profit of about $80,000. That single sale pushed his 2024 income above $109,000 for the year. Just for that 1 year? Robert didn't think much of it. He paid the capital gains tax. He moved on. He didn't know that 2 years later, in January 2026, the Social Security Administration would look back at that 2024 tax return and use it to decide his 2026 Medicare premium. When Robert opened his January 2026 Social Security statement, his stomach dropped. Instead of paying the standard $290 Part B premium, he was being charged an extra surcharge called IRMAA. His Medicare deduction was hundreds of dollars higher than expected. His Social Security raise wasn't just reduced, it was completely wiped out, and then some. Here's the painful part. Robert had a legal right to appeal. There is an official form, Form SSA 44, that could have lowered or removed that surcharge because the property sale was a one-time event. But Robert didn't know the form existed. He didn't know about the Hold Harmless rule. He didn't know what IRMAA meant. By the time he found out, he had already lost almost $1,200 over 4 months. Robert isn't careless. Robert isn't poor. Robert just didn't know the rule. And that, my friend, is exactly what the government is counting on. Now let me show you the real facts. Not rumors, not opinions. The actual numbers, straight from the government's own documents. Fact number 1. The 2026 Social Security raise is 2.8%. The Social Security Administration confirmed this on October 24, 2025. Nearly 71 million Americans are receiving this raise, starting with their January 2026 payment. For the average retired worker, that's about $56 more per month. That's the headline. That's what the news told you. But the news did not tell you the rest. Fact number 2, your Medicare. Part B premium just jumped to $202.90 a month. Last year, the standard Part B premium was $185. This year, it's $202.90. That's an increase of $17.90 every single month, a 9.7% jump. According to Medicare.gov, this is the second largest dollar increase in the history of the Medicare program. And here's the trick. Medicare automatically takes that premium directly out of your Social Security check before the money ever lands in your bank account. So let's do the simple math together. Your raise, $56 per month, minus the Medicare hike, $17.90 per month. Your real raise, about $38 per month. That $38, not $56, is what most retirees will actually see. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, the Part B increase is consuming roughly 32% of your entire 2026 cost of living adjustment. Fact number 3, there's a rule called hold harmless, but it probably won't save you. The hold harmless provision is part of the Social Security Act. It says this: if your Medicare premium increase is bigger than your COLA dollar increase, your net Social Security check cannot go down from the year before. Sounds great, right? Here's the problem. For 2026, the average COLA of $56 is bigger than the $17.90 premium hike. So for most retirees, hold harmless will not be triggered. According to AARP, only retirees whose monthly Social Security benefit is $639 or less are mathematically protected this year. Everyone else absorbs the full hit. Fact number 4, if you earn above a certain income, you pay much more. This is what trapped Robert. It's called IRMAA, the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If your 2024 modified adjusted gross income was above $109,000 as an individual or $218,000 as a married couple filing jointly, you pay a surcharge on top of the standard $202.90. And at the very top, for incomes of $500,000 or more, the Part B premium climbs all the way to $689.90 a month. That's more than $8,200 a year and for one person. And remember, the hold harmless rule does not protect anyone paying IRMAA. It also doesn't protect people who are new to Medicare in 2026, people who pay Part B by quarterly bill, or people enrolled in a Medicare savings program. Fact number 5, your deductible went up too. The 2026 Part B annual deductible is now $283, up from $257 last year. So before Medicare even starts paying for your doctor visits, you'll pay $283 out of pocket. Now you understand why Margaret's raise disappeared, and why Robert's surcharge crushed him. The 2.8% raise on paper is real, but by the time the government takes its share, what's left in your pocket is much, much smaller. Now let me give you the 3 exact actions you need to take. Write these down, or keep this video paused. These 3 steps could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in 2026. Step 1. Verify your real Social Security amount through the official My Social Security account at SSA.gov. Don't trust any letter, phone call, or email that didn't come from the official source. Log into your account at SSA.gov. Look at your January 2026 benefit statement. Compare your gross benefit to your net deposit. The difference is what Medicare took. If the numbers don't match what you expected, you'll know immediately something is wrong, and you'll have proof in writing. Step 2. If you had a one-time income spike in 2024, file Form SSA-44 right now. This is the form Robert didn't know about. Form SSA-44 is officially called Medicare Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount, Life-Changing Event. If you had a qualifying life event in 2024 or 2025, such as retirement, the death of a spouse, divorce, work stoppage, loss of pension income, or the sale of an income-producing property. You have the legal right to ask Social Security to recalculate your IRMAA. Download the form from SSA.gov, fill it out, mail it, or take it to your local Social Security office. Do not wait. Every month you delay is a month of overpayment that may not come back. Step 3. Open every letter Medicare sends you, especially the annual notice of change. Every fall, by September 30th, your Medicare Advantage or Part D plan must mail you an annual notice of change, the ANOC. This document tells you exactly what is changing in your plan for the next year. Premiums, copays, drug formularies, network doctors, everything. Most seniors throw it in a drawer. Don't. Read it carefully. If you don't like the changes, you have until December 7th each year, during Medicare open enrollment, to switch plans. Miss that window, and you are locked in for the entire next year. And one bonus tip. If your monthly income is limited, check if you qualify for a Medicare Savings Program or the Extra Help Program. These state and federal programs can pay your Part B premium in full. Visit Medicare.gov or Benefits.gov to apply. Many seniors qualify and never know it. My friend, I want to be very honest with you. The rules are changing faster than ever. Medicare premiums, Social Security adjustments, IRMAA brackets, banking restrictions, insurance claim policies, even airport rules for seniors. They're all shifting almost every month. And YouTube notifications alone are not enough to keep you informed. The algorithm doesn't care about your retirement. I do. That's why I created the Hot Global Senior Alerts official WhatsApp channel. When you join, and it's completely free, you'll get two things right away. First, you'll receive my free Senior Benefits Protection Guide. A simple, plain English PDF that walks you through every rule we discussed today, plus checklists for Social Security, Medicare, pensions, banking, and insurance. Second, you'll get real-time alerts the moment something changes. New COLA announcements, IRMAA bracket updates, banking rule changes, airport policies for seniors, insurance claim deadlines. You'll know before the news even reports it. To join, click the link in the description below this video. It takes less than 30 seconds. No fees, no spam, just real, accurate information from sources you can trust. And if this video helped you understand the 2026 Medicare rule even a little better, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with the word "protected" so I know you're taking action. And share this video with one friend, one neighbor, one family member who's also on Social Security. Because the truth is, the people who get hurt the most are the ones who never heard the warning. You've worked your entire life for these benefits. Don't let one hidden rule quietly take them away. This is Faria. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video.